obvious from the demo here that the feed system needs work. The springs underneath these 4 set screws here probably are not adequate. We got them bottomed out. We're not getting enough pressure. Also, the outfeed roller is rubber coated. It could be that the outfeed roller is undersized now because of wear over time, and may need to be built up again. Also, I'm not sure that the feed rate related to the RPM of the cutter head is where it should be. I think the cutter head ought to be revolving faster. In other words, we ought to be putting out more belt up here to the cutter head to make it go faster to get a better cut. Some work on the feed mechanism I think would make it so that it would produce acceptable surface on the wood that we're trying to plane here. Okay, Ian, let's